What's up, everyone? It is TTFX in here. This is gonna be our first YouTube video. It's gonna be an introduction video for me and what is the purpose of this channel and what I am gonna offer you. So before I start, my name is TTFX. I am 24 years old. I'm from Tunisia. I am a Forex and a crypto market trader with experience over 15 months right now. I do have a group on the Discord that I started teaching people on for almost 3 months now. And to be honest, I wanted to make my work like a little bit bigger. I wanted to try to level up myself because as I can see, the work that I'm doing and the potential that I'm giving the students is a good one. Like the people are getting a lot of benefits from what I do teaching. So I was like looking for a platform that I can show more people my work and more people can benefit from it, which is YouTube. YouTube, I already saw some other traders posting their videos and teaching people. That's where I already started learning forex trading from YouTube, like everyone did. But I found like some of the channels, they don't show you the basics. They don't help you with where to start, how to start, and risk management and all that stuff. Well, there is some channels, like after a long time of searching, I found some channels that already helped me, that really helped me. But what I'm trying to do right now is what I didn't find, because a lot of beginner traders are like having a struggle where to start, how to start, and what is the good strategy, what is the bad strategy, what is the good risk management to start with, and all that stuff. So what I'm trying to do in here is I'm gonna try to teach you where to start and how to start, what's the strategy that you need to work with, and all that stuff. So as I told you, I started teaching for almost 2 months now on the Discord group, 3 months, sorry, on the Discord group. And on the Discord group, I do offer you a lot of things. If you wanna like know what I'm offering, all what you need to do is to go to the Telegram link I'm posting down below. It's our free Telegram group, and on the pinned message, you're gonna see all what I can offer you on the Discord group, from a full course to weekly Zooms to the community to everything. You can find it on the Telegram group. And before I go to the next one, I'm gonna be always also posting my Instagram account. I always do post before and after setups over there, so you can look at them and read them and try to understand something from it. And if you have any other questions, you can ask me on the Instagram, because there where I'm most of the time active. I'm on Instagram. So as I told you, this video is going to be introduction for me and what do I do. And what I do is I'm a mentor right now for almost 20 students on my Discord community. And as I told you, I'm trying to get bigger and show my work to more people, more beginner that looking for a place to start with. And I wanted to start on YouTube because like on YouTube, like we all find whatever we need. So I started YouTube with this video introduction for me and what I do. And with the time, I'm gonna start posting videos about educational ones. Sometimes I'm gonna be posting about, to be honest, the beginning I want to be posting videos about how to start YouTube, like the platforms you need to start with, strategies, some of the risk managements, and all that stuff like for beginners. And then I'm gonna start scaling for the videos, like from beginners to medium, and then to the expert. And I'm gonna be posting a weekly setups for the YouTube, because that's what we already do on the community. I do make a video about a weekly view and my view on the pairs that we are trading, which are those 5 major pairs you can see over here. I'm gonna be posting them to help you guys to, like, if you're an intermediate trader and you're just like missing some pieces, I'm gonna be posting a weekly setups, weekly view, so you can try to understand if you are right or wrong, and if there is something you're not understanding, you may see an explanation for it on the direction of the market for that week. And yeah, and what you can see over here is some of our work for the last couple of weeks. This is AU. We took some good trades on AU, and this one was the best of them, which is 42.3 risk reward ratio. Some of us on the community took that trade. Well, I'm gonna try to go back on the Discord group so I can show you the before, how I did send it on the group, and like before we get in, I do send the setup. Just a second, can you just bear with me? I'm trying to go back on the Discord to see where exactly I send the trade. So this is AU. Just a second, let me check it. Okay, I guess this is the one. So we have yeah, this is it. If you can see over here, I was looking to buy from here, and I was looking to sell from here. This sell, which is this one that you're looking at in here, and then I have sent this setup. I was looking to sell from here with a stop loss above the last higher high or the last supply zone. And if you can see, the price tapped it on my entry and then started going lower. Thank God my stop loss didn't hit, because it was already above this one a little bit. And already this is the trade. I'm already in this trade, and if you can see, this is the same entry. If you can see this wick in here, it's the same as this one. And the trade went to 34, like, yeah, 42 risk reward ratio. It was a good week though. So, and I'm gonna try to show you another trade in other videos, inshallah. And some of the educational videos, as I told you, I'm gonna be sometimes talking about the structure, liquidity, or supply and demand zones. And every weekend, I'm gonna be posting a video about the daily, the weekly view, sorry. And sometimes I'm gonna be giving you a top-down analysis for a trade, like let's say this trade over here. You may be asking yourself how I took it and why I entered over there. I'm gonna be making a video from time to time about a trade that we took, and I go with you from the daily to the 4 hourly to the 1 hour to the 15 minute to the time I took the entry and how I exit that entry. And yeah, for the moment, that's it, guys. I don't want to make it too long for you. I hope you like it, the idea. And if you are really liking to see some new videos from me, I hope that you support me just with a like and subscribe to the channel. And as I told you, if any of one of you have any question about anything, you can contact me on my Instagram. And two, you can enjoy the Telegram group that I'm gonna be posting on the description. And meanwhile, you're gonna find all what you need to know about the Discord group in the pinned message. So I hope I start this journey with you guys. I'm really excited to start making YouTube videos, and it help those beginner traders, like I used to be beginner and I was struggling a lot with the starting. I hope you get a lot of benefits from this channel, and I hope to see you soon, guys. So that's it for today, and see you on the next video. Take care.